Good day everyone. So today I'll be sharing my media analysis of the film Hidden Figures, released in 2016 and directed by Theodore Melfi. So Hidden Figures tells inspiring story of three African American women, Katherine Johnson, Dorothy Vaughan, and Mary Jackson, who worked at NASA during the 1960s. So despite facing both sexism and racism, they proved their brilliance and played key roles in sending astronaut John Glenn into orbit. So the film clearly exposes gender stereotypes and roles. Women, especially women of color, were often limited to clerical jobs and not taken seriously in professional spaces. So the three main characters challenge these stereotypes by excelling in mathematics, engineering, and leadership, showing that women are equally capable in fields dominated by men. So there's also a clear power imbalance in the story. So the male supervisors hold authority and make important decisions, while the women have to fight just to be recognized or included. So even in something as simple as using the same restroom shows how inequality was deeply built into their workplace system. In terms of representation, the movie focuses on women's empowerment, particularly African American women in science and technology. Although it doesn't feature gender diverse characters, it still sends a strong message about inclusion and breaking barriers in male-dominated fields. Culturally, Hidden Figures teaches that intelligence and determination know no gender or race. It challenges the old belief that science is only for men and proves that equality helps everyone succeed. Personally, this film inspired me to value courage, equality, and representation. It shows how perseverance and teamwork can overcome prejudice, and that talent, not gender or color, should define a person's worth. To conclude, Hidden Figures delivers a strong and empowering message about gender equality. It reminds us that opportunities should be open to all. Still, future films could be more inclusive by representing a wider range of gender identities to promote a fuller picture of equality and diversity. Thank you.